Hello everybody. So today I will show you how to keep playing song while recording video in iPhone, how to keep playing music or anything. So let's say that if you are playing an audio and when you are switching to camera, it stops. When you are switching to video, the music stops. So here is how to fix it. So first start the music, then go to your camera. From here turn it to photo. Now from photo start the video again. Now in photo hold the photo button and it will start recording the video. Now when you want to turn it off, turn off. As you can see, the music is still playing. So this is how you will do it. You will keep playing song while recording video in iPhone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.